Okay, we got this plant-based protein powder. It's a vanilla flavor from Further. They sent this to us so we could show it to you. And in a full scoop, which is 1 serving, there's 20 grams of protein. And it's mushroom-based and seaweed-based. And it says it's only 6 ingredients on the back, but it says 8 ingredients here. And when I counted them, it was about 8 ingredients, but no soy, no gums, no artificial sweeteners and stuff. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a partial scoop and I'm going to put it into my smoothie here. But what I'll tell you is that this was not sealed here, so when I cut off this at the top here, like all this powder came out here. It should have been sealed here and then again sealed, you know, at the top where I cut it off, so that, because I don't think this is going to seal here, the zipper seal, because there's all this powder in it and stuff. So I may have to get like a zipper seal bag to put it in or something, because I don't think it's going to work very well. But I'm going to take the scoop that was in there and put a partial into my smoothie, and we'll see how that tastes. Okay, we're making our smoothie here in our little Ninja Blast. It just goes for 30 seconds, and then I'll kind of scrape some of the stuff off the side there, and then we'll run it for another 30 seconds, and we'll see how it tastes with that vanilla protein powder in it. I've got some cocoa powder and some strawberries and stuff like that in it, so yeah, and almond milk, so we'll just see how it, and yogurt, so we'll just see how it is. There's the first 30 seconds. Okay, this is our little second go around here. We'll see how it does. Okay, so we're trying it here. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's got the cocoa powder and the vanilla protein powder and some almond milk and yogurt and all that kind of stuff, and that's a really good protein shake. I like that. I could have that pretty near every day. That's good stuff. Thanks for sending that. They sent that protein powder so we could show it to you, and yeah, I'm liking that.